So Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya.
Okay, Comsec, mag-administer tayo ng ano. Okay, pwede po kayong tumayo. Sir Richard and Sir Jojo, tatayo lang po.
Yeah, can you kindly raise your right hands? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Senator, nakapag-administer na po sila po.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Okay. Ano trabaho nyo ngayon?
Ngayon po wala po dahil naka-preventive suspension po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, bukod sa GMA7, meron pa ba kayong ibang pinagtatrabuhan?
Sa ngayon po wala.
Before? No, hindi pa kayo ni-issue ng preventive suspension.
Nung-
GMA lang po.
Yep.
Okay. Sinasabi ng GMA, independent contractors kayo. Correct. Hindi kayo sinusweldoan ng monthly.
Hindi po.
Ano?
Hanggang may kontrata, may sweldo.
Hanggat may kontrata, may sweldo. Ibig sabihin per project.
Yes.
So pag meron kayong isang teleserye na 6 na buwan tatagal, 6 na buwan lang sweldo niya. Am I correct?
Pag sa director po.
As a
Pag director, ganun.
director ka ba ano? Sino bang director?
Sa ngayon po nagdidirect po ako.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Ikaw,
Your Honor.
Richard.
Consultant, scriptwriter, creative consultant.
Scriptwriter ka.
Hmm.
Ikaw, Jojo, ang director.
Opo.
So ano yung mga dinidirect mo ng mga projects sa GMA?
Meron po akong bago pong lahat nangyari to. Meron po ako bagong director lang po ako na pinag-direct ng network. Dati po consultant din po ako, drama consultant. Tapos nalipat po ako sa posisyon na director. So,
So-
nagdidirect po ako ng teleserye na panghapon.
Gaano na kayo katagal nagtatrabaho sa GMA?
Ako po, 24 years po.
Doon sa 24 years na yun, hindi kayo nagtrabaho sa halimbawa sa ABS-CBN, sa TV5.
Nag-ABS-CBN po ako from 1996 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2024 po sa GMA.
Nag-stick ka na sa GMA?
Yes po.
What about you, Direk?
Nakapag-work din po ako sa ABS mga early 2000s. Tapos nag-ABC5 po ako, tapos TV5, tapos nakapag-MZ din po.
Okay, during the night of the alleged incident, ano ginagawa niyo sa event ng GMA?
Nag-attend po kami ng GMA gala, Your Honor.
That was GMA sponsored.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kayo ba ay naimbitahan dito?
Yes po, Your Honor. Meron po kaming formal invitation.
Anong oras natapos yung event?
Around midnight po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Around or close to midnight po, Your Honor.
Close to midnight.
Opo.
Nung mga nakalipas na event ng GMA, kayo rin ba ay naimbitahan?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nag-book din ba kayo ng hotel room?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Usually po pag GMA gala, Your Honor, fully booked po yung mga hotels doon sa area. Mahirap
Kaya
po
nung gabing yun, saan kayo saan ba ginawa yung gala?
sa
Ba't
Marriott
i-pronounce it?
Hotel
Gala o
po.
gala? Oh.
Sa Marriott Hotel po,
Marriott.
Your
Where
Honor.
were you billeted?
In Belmont Hotel po, Your Honor.
So,
magkalapit. lang
magkalapit.
Po. Yes po,
Pwede
Your Honor.
kang lumakad.
Opo, Your Honor.
So nag-book kayo ng hotel dun sa, ano yan?
Sa Belmont po,
Belmont.
Your Honor. Opo.
Saan yung event?
Sa Marriott po,
Oh,
Your
Marriott.
Honor.
Sino nagbayad dun sa Belmont?
Ako po.
Hindi
Kasi-
sponsored ng GMA.
Hindi po.
Di ba lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng mga konektado sa GMA,
Ay-
di ba ni-sponsoran ng
Hindi po,
automatic
hindi
na yun na sagot ng GMA sabi
Opo.
na. So kayo,
Lahat po ng consultants, yung mga creative, nag-book kami sa Belmont.
okay, diretsuin ko na kayo ha. But before I ask you direct questions, bakit hindi kayo sumipot last hearing?
Meron po kaming prepared statement. Pwede po ba namin basahin? Meron po kaming prepared na statement regarding that. Pwede po namin basahin, Your Honor.
Sige. I forgot to give you a chance to give your opinion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Po. Mm-mm.
To the Honorable Chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Information and Mass Media, Honorable Senator Robin Padilla, to all the senators present today, especially Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, President pro tempore. To all the resource persons and friends from the press, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Bago po ang lahat, ay nais po naming humingi ng paumanhin sa hindi namin pagdalo sa nakaraang pagdinig. Inaamin po namin na natakot po kami na masubject sa media circus at premature trial. Gayun din po, natakot din po kami na baka malabag po namin ang confidentiality ng investigasyon na isinasagawa ng NBI nang nagsimula na ang mga panahong yon at nagpapatuloy pa rin sa ngayon. Nasabihan po kasi kami na bawal po na ilabas ang lahat ng mga counter allegations at ebidensya namin sa publiko dahil ayon sa NBI kahit ang alegasyon ng di umano'y biktima ay hindi pa rin nila maaring ilabas dahil subject pa ito sa validation ng kanilang ahensya. Lahat pa raw po ng hawak ng NBI hindi pa ebidensya hanggat hindi pa naipapasa sa piskalya. Subalit matapos po naming mapanood ang nakaraang pagdinig ay nakita po namin na hindi mangyayari ang aming kinakatakutan dahil sinabi at siniguro naman po ng kagalang-galang nating Chairman Senator Robin Padilla na hindi magiging korte ang Senado. Kaya humihingi rin po kami ng patawad sa kagalang-galang natin na Senador Jinggoy Estrada kung naunahan po kami ng takot, kaba at pangamba.
Opo, kami po ang independent contractors ng GMA Network na tinutukoy sa mga online post na kumalat noong mga nakaraang araw. Subalit, hindi po kami gumawa ng kahit anong sexual harassment or abuse laban kay Sandro Mulak. Sa pagkakataong ito, sa harap ng iyong lahat, mariing tinatanggi po namin ang lahat ng mapanirang akusasyon na ito laban sa amin. Kami po ay hindi executives ng GMA Network tulad ng mga lumalabas. Daliwas sa sinasabi sa online, wala po kaming kapangyarihan or impluensya sa network, lalong-lalo na sa mga artista nito. Sinabi naman po ng GMA na hindi kami regular employee ng network. Alam po namin na konting pagkakamali lamang na nagawa namin sa production ay maaring ma-terminate ang aming kontrata at mawalan kami ng trabaho. Subalit, tumagal kami sa telebisyon ng more or less 30 years. At bago ang pangyayaring ito, ay malawak ang naging kontribusyon namin sa industriya sa telebisyon sa pamamagitan na naiambag namin mga award-winning at top-rating television shows and teleseries.
Tapos na?
Hindi pa. Maganda po ang takbo ng aming karera.
Sir Richard, tubig po. May tubig po kayo sa tabi po, ah.
Opo.
Okay.
Mahaba ba yung ano? Ikaw ba
Sandali lang
nagsulat?
po.
Scriptwriter ka? Baka mahaba yan.
Hindi po. Maganda po ang takbo ng aming karera. Maitatanong niyo po kami sa aming mga nakatrabaho at masasabi naman po namin na iginagalang kami at naging malinis po ang reputasyon namin sa aming mga naging employer at nakatrabaho sa loob ng 30 taon. Sa tinagal-dagal namin sa industriya, wala po kahit na isang reklamo, sexual man or anuman, ang nag-file sa amin. Kaya hindi po namin sisirain ang iniingatan naming pangalan at karera at reputasyon para makapag-abuso o harass ng isang tao.
Lalo na po na alam namin na anak ng sikat na artista at maimpluwensyang pamilya. Ano ba naman po ang laban naming mga ordinaryong manggagawa lamang laban sa kanila? Hindi naman po namin itinatangging bakla kami. Sa katunayan, ang pagiging bakla namin ang isa sa mga dahilan kaya kami naging creative, artistic at nagkaroon ng skills na kailangan sa industriya. Buong buhay namin, ginamit namin ang pagiging bakla namin sa maayos na paraan para maitaguyod ang aming mga pamilya. Kaya napakasakit sa amin at sa aming pamilya na mabasa ang aming mga pangalan online na may caption na bakla at kung ano-anong masasakit at mapanirang puri na bansag at descriptions. Bakla po kami, oo, pero hindi kami mga abuser. Bakla kami, oo, pero hindi kami gumagawa ng masama sa kapwa. Bakla kami, oo, at may takot po kami sa Diyos. Sa huli kami rin po ay humihiling ng hustisya. Mabigyan sana ng hustisya ang malisyosong pagbibintang sa amin. Kaya po kaya po naming mapatunayan sa piskalya o korte na wala kaming kasalanan. Hintayin lang po sana natin ang proseso, ang due process. Habang hinihintay po yan, humihiling po kami sa sambayanan na wag niyo po muna kaming husgahan. Iba ko na parang mga convicted na criminals. Kay Sandro, wala kaming ginawang masama sa iyo at alam mo yan sa puso mo. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Magsabi ng totoo sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na ang mga nakatrabaho namin sa industriya na dahil kilala kami ay hindi naniniwala na magagawa namin ito. At sa lahat ng mga netizens na nagsasabi na ikaso muna at huwag kami i-publicity trial, maraming salamat po. Napakalaking bagay sa amin sa panahong ito ang ganyang mga mensahe. Maraming salamat din po sa komite, sa inyo, Senators Padilla at Senators Estrada, sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pagkakataon na magsalita at maraming salamat po at magandang tanghali po sa inyo.
Thank you,
Maraming salamat po.
Direk Jojo. Okay, basta dito sa Senado, pantay-pantay lang ang tingin namin, okay? Gender sensitive here, okay?
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Pag membro ng LGBT, okay lang yan. Choice yan. Basta kami pantay-pantay lang tingin namin sa inyo lahat. Alright?
Salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay, sa opening statements ninyo, you deny all allegations that has been brought against you.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Both of you. Would you know kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganitong kabigat na reklamo sa inyo? Bakit nagre-reklamo Sandro na yung tatay ni Sandro, bakit nagre-reklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay ninyo, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa, sandali lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi, yung parang, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
Yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, Hindi, ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. So, sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede bang, kung meron kayo idadagdag doon sa sinabi, why did he apologize? For what?
No.
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko ay talagang Umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Ang sagot ko po sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay. I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you. Okay. The gala was held at Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, hindi Dede, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor. In fact,
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat. Nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages eh. You have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan o sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not.
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. All right. And then,
Your Honor,
yes.
siya po yung mismo nagsabi na andyan po ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room with you. Deny. Yeah, maganda yan.
Yes,
Kasi
Your
Atty.
Honor.
Kapunan, magaling na abogada yan. Huh? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigasyon ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung Just Me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then,
Then just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct.
yes po, Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the Just Me text.
After which Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Mm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga.
Ah,
Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga eh. Huwag ka na mag-deny, inibitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
sinabi mo, tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your
Huh?
Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your
No,
Honor.
I'm just,
Ito lang po
asking
yung
you if it's true or false. Wala pa naman tayo sa ano eh.
there was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend. But there was no direct invitation po. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na akit siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text messages of Mr. Nones?
We have po, Your Honor.
If I may answer,
Yes, yes.
Your Honor, I'm Attorney Sharina Quintanilla Raz for Sandro. We do have proof of that, but we cannot show that at the moment because it is with the NBI. And as this explained earlier, the NBI is safeguarding the confidentiality of the pieces of evidence
Do
in
you
this
have any
case.
representative from the NBI here? Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Zuleika Marie Esconales, the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Do you have the copy of the text messages? The conversation?
The complainant already submitted pieces of evidence to support his complaint, Your
So-
Honor.
You cannot share it with the committee?
With all due respect, Your Honor, for purposes of confidentiality, because of pending investigation, we are
All right.
keeping the same,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Of course. I
Thank
will
you, Your
respect
Honor.
that. Okay, at that time, nung umakyat na rin si Sandro, kasi when you invited him, Sandro was in his room together with his girlfriend. And apparently, Sandro informed his girlfriend that he was going to the room of Jojo and company. Upon entering the room, Sandro was surprised since it was only Jojo and Richard who were there in the room. Correct? Correct.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung na-surprise si Sandro din.
No,
Hindi po
umakyat si Sandro sa kwarto
We were-
ninyo. He was surprised upon seeing only both of you.
Well, he wasn't surprised po, Your Honor. Wala po kami
Kasi ang sinabi mo dun sa text messages, I am with people from the creatives group.
No po, sir. My exact message was just, we're wrapping up na. GMA Drama Peeps referring to me and Dode, but we're wrapping up na.
Okay,
So,
that's your word.
yes.
Malalaman naman natin sa investigation sa NBA yan. Did you offer Sandro glass of wine?
No, Your Honor, when he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor.
Hmm?
No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance,
No, Your
powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, these are already very details that need to be discussed in an
Your Honor,
executive
if I may,
session.
Your Honor. I think, Your Honor, these matters are part of the allegations of the complainant, Your Honor, which are now under validation of the NBI, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were also advised by the NBI with regard to that the own allegations of Mr. Sandro Mulak, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, are still under validation, even this allegation of the 500 peso bill and the alleged substance, Your Honor. So I don't know if the NBI would allow us to answer that questions, considering that the NBI also asked us not to disclose anything, even our counter allegations with respect to these matters, Your Honor.
You were requesting for an executive session. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Chair, I move that we hold this in an executive session right now.
Meron po tayong motion na tayo po ay mag-executive session. Pakikiusapan lang po natin na maiwan lang po dito yung mga concern. Yung iba po, pwede muna pong lumabas. Marami pong salamat. Kanina po na nag-executive session kami, nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga partido na nakausap namin at napag-desisyonan po ng komite na tunay po na sa tingin po namin, meron pong kaukulan na dahilan para ma-file yung kaso. Pero siyempre po, katulad po ng sinasabi namin, hindi naman kami korte. Sa amin pong palagay, itong aming pagdinig, kailangan, siyempre, may boses ang lahat. Pero doon po sa naganap na executive session, malinaw po sa aming pagkakaintindi na ito po ay makakarating dapat sa dapat karatingan. Bibigay ko lang po uli kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Senator?
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Based on the discussions earlier during the executive session, and of course we cannot divulge first yet the the details of what transpired during the executive session. But what we all understand right now, and we agreed together with Senators Revilla, Padilla, Po, Grace Po, and Senator Bato de la Rosa, there is a strong evidence against these two gentlemen. So we will just hold it. We will just withhold all the information until all the pieces of evidence that are going to be gathered by the NBI are in. So the committee has given them 2 days to receive all the pieces of evidence. So maybe we can schedule the next hearing on Thursday together with all the parties concerned. Yes, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, I just want to, kasi napag-usapan na po namin na kanina kasi nakita ko yung when they swore na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth, para ako na insulto na we're willing to now to na ilabas na ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi talagang pinapalabas nila sa media, si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon lalabas na namin, willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
From my evidence, hindi
if Attorney Conales, Laika ba?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mapayag na si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all, Sen. Hanggang dun sa text lang. Kasi
Yes, sa
I
text.
just want to prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Nagsisinungaling sila. So I think they should, di ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular Number 48, Series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it don't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please, I just want to manifest to Honor that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no, the may I proceed, Your Honor, please? Mr. Chair, it was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive
Okay,
session.
let's just listen first to the
Your Honor, please.
revelation of the statements of Mr. Mulak.
We submit to that, Mr. Chair. Your
Have you, did the COMSEC administer the oath? Mr. Mulak? You administered the oath?
Okay, Comsec, paki-administer ang oath ni Mr. Nicky
Will
Mulak.
you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to this committee?
Yes po.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
All right, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then sumagot si
Sa anong
Sandro.
araw yun?
20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan?
Jojo.
Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. Kung Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro lang. Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Wala. Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige. Okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni, nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa rin sa, yes, soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir, looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi na sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while, kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 22 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
37.
in the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no... wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Ayan, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your Honor.
Yeah, at sinabi naman ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
No,
We just want to
I mentioned
manifest that, Your
it.
Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
Submit to that, Your
the-
Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by the
Yeah, what
FBI.
this is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
We submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further,
We want to because here we want to ferret out the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
no further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only,
But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right to
Because according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Ano yan? Silence means yes?
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was their
open,
answer?
during the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during
So
the,
they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
lagi yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair and sininyo pa. You know Nino. Diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, syempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito, ganito. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang in aid of legislation para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, ako, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Senator Jinggoy? Okay po.
Siguro, you'll schedule another hearing with the permission of the chair. I hope si Sandro can attend the next hearing if he's physically fit to...
Senator, I will talk to him and also to the behavioral science. Siyempre, hihingin ko pa rin po yung advice din po ng doctor kung okay na, kung feeling nila kaya niya ni Sandro. Although, Sandro told me that he really wants to. Kaso yun nga lang, nag-advise yung behavioral science na huwag muna. Siyempre, mas pinakinggan ko yung expert, di ba?
Of course.
Pero he personally wants to talaga.
Alright, NBI, siguro tapos na kayo mangolekta ng mga ebidensya ninyo by the time, Thursday. Oh,
Good afternoon again,
all right.
your honorable senators. We actually scheduled to see Sandro again on Wednesday. On Wednesday for the third mental status examination. And of course, it would be up to the parents and the council if if Sandra is willing also. However, at this point in time, the way we see it, I agree with Senator Bong. He is in trauma and it's going to be difficult for him to appear in public because somehow it nanunumbalik po sa kanya yung pangyayari. Yung simptoma po na nakikita namin, kung patuloy pong ma-expose siya dito, it will exacerbate the symptoms that he is undergoing. But of course, it would be up to Sandro, their counsel, and the parents.
Okay, we will just leave it up to the father and the opinion of your division. Okay. Attorney Laika ba? Conales.
Yes, Your Honor.
So
Like, Your Honor.
pwede nang makolekta yung mga ebidensya ninyo by Wednesday, so we will conduct another hearing on Thursday with the permission of the chair.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I hope it would be amenable with the Honorable Committee that the NBI be given time to file the case if there would be any, Your Honor, before a discussion would have to be made, Your Honor. I hope that would be amenable with the committee, Your
May
Honor.
binabasa ako. Ano ulit sabi mo?
Kung maaari po kaya, Your Honor, na mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng NBI na mag-file ng kung meron mang kaso bago po sana natin i-discuss sa publiko, Your Honor. However, Your Honor, the NBI would be willing to provide to you the report for purposes of the Senate Committee's appreciation, Your Honor. The only plea of the National Bureau of Investigation is that before any case would be filed or the investigation be terminated, that the same would not be disclosed to the public, Your Honor.
When are you going to file?
We hope to file the case within the week, Your Honor, if there would be any case to be filed, Your Honor.
If there's no case to be filed.
The investigation would have to be terminated, Your Honor, if there would be no case to be filed, Your Honor. A report would similarly be made by the Bureau, Your Honor, and the same would be submitted to the Honorable Committee's appreciation, Your Honor.
Basta sabi ni Sandro, when you testified earlier, na ayaw nila makita yung dalawa.
Yan talaga yung inaalala ni Sandro. Ayaw niya kasi makita ng personally yung dalawa.
Yeah. Alright. Pwede
Which,
siya pwede
lahat
ba,
naman po yata ng ganong klaseng kaso, ganun talaga yung naging effect.
alright, pwede ba siya virtual?
I will asking nga po.
So,
tonight.
pwede. Ano opinion ni Miss Lumampaw? Pwede siya sumagot sa mga tanong online?
I think, Your Honor, it would be better if
Huwag nila focus sa kanya yung camera. Pag
Okay.
siya nag-testify.
If he will just appear in a close executive session with you than virtual, so that mas maganda po kasi yung nakikita nyo talaga yung behavioral observation upfront. But of course, it will be up to the parent and their counsel. And of course, because Sandra is already of age, he can decide po.
Mhm. Where's the mother of Sandro?
Yes, sir.
Where's the mother of Sandro?
Sa States po.
Okay. So binigyan niya ng nanay yung consent.
Opo, since he was 8 years old, ako lang nagpalaki kay Sandro.
Okay.